Hi.
Scientist over here. We're just gonna do some water treatment. This is the scientist here, and that is one of the things we're working on. You notice there's an old garbage container here for waste disposal. You notice we have a faucet that's going to be installed here. But why don't you explain this?
Okay. So basically water is going to come from the drain over there into here. It's going to be filtered, and the water is going to gather in the tank, and then this nozzle is going to be attached to it, and the water will be used just to water the garden. Just a fun little project.
That's just going to be for watering the garden.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, with drain water.
When it's not raining, I don't know.
Oh, what you're trying to do is save on water.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, I see. You're going to let this water build up to like here.
Yeah.
And then use water that came from rain instead of using regular water. Use the water that came down in the rain. Oh, I see what you're trying to do. This is an environmental project to save on water.
Yeah.
Using water that would in normal circumstances go to waste.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you're doing now. Oh.
That's good.
This is a great. Now we have all this PVC here.
I have no idea what to do with it.
Well, we got this for you because we were thinking of different things before. Now this has some sort of filter on it too.
Yeah, I'll probably use this.
It's going to be a filter. Now, what's in the filter? What kind of filter?
Okay, so basically, in this is basically some panes from a curtain, like the stuff that covers it, and then so that they're bigger holes, and then here there's gonna be it's just cloth so that water can filter through, and here is gonna be sand. It's gonna be a natural filter, and that's
so it's gonna go into that tank.
Yeah.
Via that filter.
Yep.
Okay.
Natural filter.
All right. So you're gonna have filtered water, filtered drain water. You'll probably have an entire tank full by summer, especially with the spring. The spring, these gutters, which are not in the best shape, they got a lot of leaks. We're probably gonna wind up taking those down eventually and just getting rid of them. But you should have at least, if you fix the leaks on the bottom, that water, most of that water should stay.
Yeah.
And it goes through the filter. That filter may have to be changed like 4 or 5 times before summer.
Yeah. That's okay. I'll just get sand from the beach and bring it here.
You're gonna go to the beach in the winter, get sand?
Yeah. I like the beach in the wintertime, and just like walking around.
You're doing an awful lot of work to save a few pennies on water. But it's good. It's good to know what science can do and what you can do with water, how you can treat water. Perhaps someday you can get into water treatment.
Yeah.
This is like chemistry. Now, this looks cool. The only thing is now over here, we're going to have to... Yeah, but this is not a big deal. Well, it is. We're going to have to get some sealant around here.
Yeah.
Because once you put screws in here, now you've made 2 more holes. And the water's going to drain out of there by the time you get to use it. So we're going to have to get... When we drill the hole for the hole for the water to come out, and then put the screws in here, we're going to have to get some sealant, some water sealant, and really something good that's going to make it waterproof and seal that, because it's not a completely flat surface, but it's flat enough. So I think we have a good idea. I think we kind of know what we're doing now.
Yeah. Alright, let's get back to work.
How about a parkour move, no? We have a scientist and a parkourist in the same person.